Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the yeah, man, gang. That's what I do today. Yo. Look what we there with, gang. We cuss him and he finally look who the cat dragging. This bumbo old brother here we are cuss all along. You see me I say an artist when me think very talented, you see me a bad artist, you know dog. You see me I say, but me don't know how I go and feed dog, man. Me know I say dog lazy, but the dog we don't see dog a drop nothing how I go on for there. You see me out in the town and we not see what I go on Brysco, bro. You see me I say, well yeah man, we there out Brysco gang. One of them Banga rock. You see me, I check it out and see where the dog are deal. Come like Brysco say yo scamming over music for real, you know. Cause the dog not drop no music, come like a that dog banging line. You see me I say, but yeah man, Brysco drop, good for see dog drop, talented artist dog. Me need to see dog drop more often. You see me, I don't know say Brysco power Jamal and Skipper them and them man. You see me na them. You see me I say? But yeah man, them type of vibes Brysco have. You see me I say? But anyway. They are Brysco, Banga rock, I check it out and see dog are there. It's about time, man. It's long overdue, man. We hate Brysco, you know. Hopefully they want a shot. You see me and say, I'm in half it. You see me take back my word. we not go over vibe much and go and jump right in the chat. This is Brysco, Banga rock, gang. Let's go.
Hello, this is Frank Douglas calling you from the Mega Million Sweepstakes and Lottery Department.
Easy now, Frank Douglas. Frank Paniline.
That you have
10 mil, believe me that I chumps. Me smoke the craving and nicotine in my lungs. Too rich, me can't sleep, me bleaching night done. The Benz are E-class, foot sweep a fly chunk. I climb me control for smoking eye front. Me clients sell the house, the real to fly down. Couple dog in the state, we seek asylum. Couple skull with them on a beat and my drum.
I've been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. I have to face my problems. I show up in the back of a limo and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.
She said me cocky when me turn on my camera.
Hold on. Yes. Yeah man, Midgie, I say you're forward back, man. Yeah man. Yeah, who know movies? You know who dog a quote a while ago? That's Wolf of Wall Street. That's one of my favorite movies, bro. You see me so when the dog they up on Wall Street and the dog them a banging line for real. Yeah, when I talk about banging line, man. Yeah man, I wanna go on, man. Yeah man, that we are talking about Brysco. I say you do it, me G. Yeah man, we have to pull that up. I want to hear, man. Stop playing with the G. Yeah man, we have to pull that up, man. Let it go.
Hello, this is Frank Douglas calling you.
Frank Paniline, me say.
Sweepstakes and Lottery Department. This call is to notify you that you have
10 mil, believe me that I chumps. Me smoke the craving and nicotine in my lungs. Too rich, me can't sleep, me bleaching.
10 mil a chumps, you know, bro. I want to kill. Too rich, me can't sleep, you know. I want.
Night done, the Benz are E-class, foot sweep a fly chunk. I climb me control.
Benz are E-class, foot sweep a fly chunk. The phone don't get that, you know. You see me, I say, you know, the Benz, the E-class, the Benz, you put your swipe your foot on and it opens your trunk for you. You know, I put on up on game, you know. Come in, man.
Smoking eye front, me client sell the house, the real to fly down.
Yeah.
Couple dog in the state, we seek asylum.
Yeah.
Couple skull with them having a beat on my
fly dog say, really time I see you send it. Man say, couple dog and I see you can see it asylum. But easy now, man. Man say, I know those money alone ain't chop. They man chop citizenship and alien statuses. He's
been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich.
Wolf of Wall Street. If you never watch that movie, definitely go check it out, guys. Yeah, man, the movie they're different.
Every fucking time. I have to face my problems. I show up in the
back
of a limo and a $40,000
coming.
gold fucking watch.
She said me cocky when me turn on my camera.
Easy.
Chaggle with the 17 figure Jagabat. Jagabat. Cash code send the lead song Canada. Every time I chop a cheese, bust a Banga rock.
Hola. Come on, man. Listen to your dog a snap on the thing, man. Come here.
I show up in the back of a limo and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.
She said my cocky when me turn on my camera.
Camera.
Chagga with the 17 figure Jagabat.
Jagabat. I'm tear, man.
Jagabat. Cash codes in the lead song Canada. Every time I chop a cheese, bust a Banga rock.
Banga rock. I'm tear you. Jamal dog.
Banga rock.
Hey, Brysco. Tell us the vibes, man. Them, man. I tell you that the band come with the Banga rock. This the club are gone nasty, no. This is for the chopper, them, you know. They don't too move, you know, but I go Banga rock. I want you come in, man. Come in.
Banga rock. Banga rock. If you lit pan the line, do it Banga rock. If a big gun find, do it Banga rock. If you're selling at the trap, do the Banga rock. For you no shabba mother pot, do it Banga rock. My bad reach them chop line too. We are dwelling at the fraud with the black Bible. Run a fuck with the cheese.
Girl, them chop line too. I want you. Man say me dwelling at the fraud with the black Bible. Hey brother, I know I wish book your talk, you know, youth. I want you. The Lord them book there alone.
Banga rock. If you lit pan the line, do it Banga rock. If a big gun find, do it Banga rock. If you're selling at the trap, do the Banga rock. For you no shabba mother pot, do it Banga rock. My bad reach them chop line too. We are dwelling at the fraud with the black Bible. Run a fuck with the cheese, get rat pies. We have scored with the beamer.
Run a fuck with the cheese, get rat pies in you. I want to man. Me tell you say your body no boy. Hey you deserve a conk Brysco. Clip this and send it to him. You see me and say, long time I cuss you no use. You must see me video already, man. Click this singing to Brysco. Long time I say if you send tune around you. Forward. Now watch nobody and listen to the send tune around you.
Bad reach them chop line too. We are dwelling at the fraud with the black Bible. Run a fuck with the cheese, get rat pies. We have scored with the beamer, landmine too. Chop food
with the beamer, landmine too. Come here.
One rifle, shot bite up, ears like Mike Tyson. Big goon pan the line, me a sell line too. Send a picture of your house or your land title.
Oh, please. See me a sell line to you. Send a picture of your house and land title. No. My youth.
Bite up ears like Mike Tyson. Big goon pan the line, me a sell light to. Send a picture of your house or your land title. Versace what me wear. Big chopper them lad when I'm a place. E250 the car me have a steer.
Easy man, come in now me G, chat to them.
The Henny bra me lost and I'm in tears. Mommy no approve, she no need for validate. Cause a million chop in a week a holiday.
Yeah.
Bussy moonroof, panoramic panimian.
Yeah.
The pill coming like Panasonic in my brain.
Easy now man, I want to hear that man. Man say panoramic roof, I'm to your youth. Panny lane my youth. The man say the pill come like a Panasonic in my brain. Think about it. Don't make it go over like a battery. Man saying charge up on the pill, youth. Come in, man.
Suck my cocky when me turn on my camera.
Camera.
Chagga with the 17 figure Jagabat. Foota send me the lead song Canada. Every time I chop a cheese, bust a Banga rock. Do the Banga rock. Do the Banga rock.
You find it, Brysco. You find it, you. Me tell, hey.
Banga rock.
Summer song.
If you lit pan the line, do it Banga rock. If a big goal find, do it Banga rock. If you're selling at the trap, do the Banga rock. For you no shabba mother pot, do it Banga rock. Yo.
For you no shabba mother pot. Me don't know if it's that Dexter. Me don't know about the party. Me don't know about the party. But me keep going.
We didn't have chopper we are on leads. I would still have some old leads we are on over again. I tell the killer them say name them can't too much understand. Yeah man. Client can do bathroom, client can do all that shit.
Client couldn't have bathroom, youth. Client all that shit, youth. Yeah, get chop, you know.
Yeah man.
I could pull it up on your dog, I said to Bumbo.
We didn't have chopper we are on leads.
Yeah.
I would still have some old leads we are on over again.
Yeah.
I tell the killer them say name them can't too much understand.
Yeah. The man saying we around leads, you know. I go out to all leads, you know. You see me answer, I say name them can't too much. Can't never too much. Come on.
Yeah man. Client can do a bar tune, client can do a shit.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
That makes you answer phone.
Yeah.
So we call one name 20 times, you see?
Yeah, I mean, 20 times I call one name, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Big up yourself, Brysco, dog. Banga rock. You need man to find it. Come on, song that, man. Club I got nasty. Party I got nasty right now. Money pull up feed the. Yo, I gotta tell you the song. You select them, I gotta tell you take it easy. Other people in the party want to listen to tune. I'm making known from now. Other people, the girls, they want to wind up themselves. You see me? I say, other thugs want to hear, the thugs they want to hear some other tune. You have a dance, them want to hear some dancing tune, brother. We can't play this all night, dog. Cause me don't see it already, you know. As this come on, you know. I'll be a money pull up, you know. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Brysco, man. That song the bad. That's a fun song for the blood clean. Fun song for the summer. That. Brysco, yes, man. Yeah, man. For the last Nicky, every time, yeah, man, you just chill. And every time you come out to something, you just want to come out to that banger. I can dig it. Yeah, man. If for that you go do, every time you build, but every time you come with that banger, me I go love you. You see what you have to prove it first. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang, me know one thing about the one day. Drop in the comment section. Let's talk about it. If you like it, definitely show the artists all of our support. Make you know say Jambisco and send it. You see what I'm saying? Let's get the dialogue going. Summer song, gang. People have cussed about summer song, you know. You see me see summer song, yeah, you know. You see me answer, I know the thing. You see me answer? Summer song of the summer, what go on. We know. Definitely, this is the dance song of the summer so far, I would say. This how to take your whole blood clean thing by me feel like that take it by storm. You see me? I'll be surprised if it doesn't. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, drop a comment in the comment section, gang. Let me know the thing what I wanna. You see me? If you like the show, that's some of our support. You don't know what time it is. Let me know what's your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, beat, the dance. You see me? I say, let me know all of them things in the comment section. Drop your request. You can get your shout out. You already know what time it is, guy. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.